Hello, explorers! Have you ever wondered where that yummy golden honey on your toast comes from? It's not magic, it's something even cooler. It's made by tiny, fuzzy superheroes called bees. But how do they turn flower juice into the sweet treat we all love? Let's zoom in and find out. Our story begins in a field full of colorful flowers. Imagine you're a little honeybee, buzzing around on a sunny day. Your mission? To find the most delicious flowers. Bees are amazing detectives. They have a super sense of smell and can see colors we can't, which helps them spot the perfect flower bursting with a sugary drink called nectar. Once a bee finds a flower, it uses its long, straw-like tongue, called a proboscis, to slurp up all the sweet nectar. It's like having a built-in juice box. The bee stores this nectar in a special honey stomach, which is different from its regular tummy. Think of it as a little honey backpack. A bee might visit hundreds, or even thousands, of flowers just to fill up its honey stomach. That's a lot of flying. While they're sipping nectar, something incredible happens. Tiny yellow grains called pollen stick to the bee's fuzzy body. As the bee flies from flower to flower, it carries this pollen with it, helping the flowers make seeds and grow new plants. So, while they're collecting food, they're also helping our whole planet grow. These bees are busy for a reason. Now, with a full honey stomach, our bee flies back to its home. The beehive. The hive is a bustling city full of thousands of other bees, all working together. When our explorer bee arrives, it doesn't just drop the nectar off, it passes the nectar to another worker bee, mouth to mouth. This might sound a little weird, but it's a super important step. Inside the hive, the bees continue to pass the nectar from one to another. Each time they do this, special enzymes from their bodies mix with the nectar. These enzymes start to break down the complex sugars in the nectar, turning them into simpler sugars that are easier for the bees to digest and won't spoil. This is the secret recipe that starts turning nectar into honey. But it's not honey just yet. The mixture is still very watery. So, the bees have another trick up their sleeves. They carefully place the nectar into tiny, six-sided wax rooms called honeycombs. Then, they get to work fanning their wings like crazy. All this fanning creates a warm breeze inside the hive, which helps the extra water in the nectar evaporate. It's like a tiny bee-powered air dryer. Slowly, but surely, the watery nectar gets thicker and stickier. Once it reaches the perfect consistency, the thick golden honey, we know the bees seal the honeycomb cell with a tiny lid made of beeswax. This keeps the honey clean and fresh, ready to be eaten during the cold winter months when there are no flowers to visit. It's their winter pantry. The amazing journey from a flower in a field to a drop of honey in a hive. It takes thousands of bees and millions of flower visits just to make a single jar of honey. Every spoonful is a result of incredible teamwork and nature's sweet magic. So, the next time you enjoy some delicious honey, remember the little fuzzy superheroes who worked so hard to make it for you. Bees are not just amazing honeymakers, they're essential for our world. Thanks for buzzing along with me today to uncover this sweet secret. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you next time.